Hi, friends. Before we begin, let me tell you something honestly. If you follow the steps only for a few days, nothing will change. LinkedIn is not magic, it's consistency. But if you follow this process for even 3 months, you will see real movement. If you follow it for 5 months, you will get life changing results. This package contains everything you need to improve your visibility, attract recruiters, and move closer to your dream job. But you must use it in the right order. So let's start from the beginning. First, begin with the 7-day optimization calendar. This is your roadmap, so it tells you exactly what to change each day for this first week. Your headline and your about section, your skills, your banner, your projects, and your network, and etc. So just plan everything, and then this calendar is designed to fix your foundation. Once your base is strong, the rest becomes easy. After your 7 days setup, move to update the headline template file. So before you have given the headlines something randomly, right? Now your headline is the number one reason a recruiter will click your profile. So use the simple formula I have given inside the document. So that is role, and then you have to mention the skills, and then you have to mention the tools or technologies which is you have used in your experience, or if you are fresher, and then you can add the value and choose your role in that document and customize it and update immediately. This one change alone increases your visibility. And then open the settings must enable document. So these are the settings that decide whether recruiters can find you or not. Okay, so here you can turn on your recruiter visibility, turn on your public profile photo, turn on job alerts, turn on skill-based search appearances. If you don't enable this, no content, no headline, no posting strategy will work. Okay. After your profile is optimized, it's time to stay visible every single day. So the daily visibility checklist tells you what to do in just 5 to 10 minutes per day. Specific post and comment wisely. Follow recruiters and save jobs. Update one small thing daily. So LinkedIn loves active profiles. So and this will boost your profile to higher search. And this checklist keeps you active without wasting time. And then posting on a LinkedIn is not about going viral, so you don't need to put a lot of effort and editing the images, everything and all. Just give you the simple post content is enough. So it's about growing your learning and active and motivated. So the daily posting ideas I have given 15 ready to use post ideas, so you can use it 2 or 3 posts per week. So you don't need to perfect English, so you just need a consistency. And then now comes the most underrated secret, that is comments. Your comments takes you directly in front of recruiters, hiring managers and leaders. So use the engagement guide to know what to like and what to comment and how to engage correctly. And use this 20 comments templates to write meaningful comments even if you are a beginner as well. And this alone increases your visibility more than posting. This is the correct order to use my products, and follow it exactly and listen carefully. Don't expect magic in 2 days. Don't expect miracles in 1 week. But if you follow the system consistently for even 60 days, you will start getting recruiter views. If you continue for 5 months, you will attract interview calls. And if you complete for the full 6-month cycle, you will move closer to your dream job. Use these resources wisely, give yourself time and trust the process, because this is the same method I used to start getting daily recruiter messages. So your career will grow only if you do. So, and this spec is your starting point, and use it wisely. All the best for your career. Thanks for purchasing this product.